We'll guide you through how to download YouTube videos on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure this full guide, and you can go and see what way is going to work best for you depending upon why you're doing this. So make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, because you may go and miss something important. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So for the first way, what you can do is go to the top right and go and find your profile icon and go and click here. So for this first way, we're going to be downloading our own videos. The second way will be others. So what you can do is come to the YouTube studio like so. Now what you need to do is come to the left and you can go and press content and you can find your video that you want to go and download. When you go and see it, you want to go and hover over it and you can go and press the three dots. And you'll find the option for download, which you can then go and click on, and the video is now gone and downloaded. As you can see, there it is. I can click on it and open it up. Now, alternatively, if you want to go and download other people's videos, what you need to do is go and find the video you want to do this with. Let's go and say I want to do this with a GuideRealm video. I'm going to go and search for GuideRealm like so. Come onto the GuideRealm channel. We'll come to videos and I'll go and find the video I want to do this with. Let's go and say I want to do it with this one here. Then what you can do is you can come and scroll down just beneath it and you need to go and find the three dots. That will then go and show the download option. In some cases, download may just be shown here. And what you can do is go and press download. It's important to note to go and use this download function. You do need to go and have YouTube Premium, which is a paid subscription you pay for every month. Then when you go and click on download, it will go and download. And you can go and press view and you'll be taken to your downloads and you can access them via the left by coming to downloads as well. So that's it. And you can then go and access these offline by coming to the YouTube site and this URL, youtube.com/feed-downloads, and you can access it without a connection.